Hey friends, if you wish to add a signature in Google Docs, then please watch this video. So one thing is obviously to upload a photo of your signature by going to insert, image and then upload from computer. But that's a different thing. It's like how about creating your own signature here? Obviously you can upload a photo, that is with any document. So simply go to insert, select drawing, new and wait for it and then select a good location and then mark it here. Now click on this downward pointing arrow next to line and then select scribble, and then you can what do we say, scribble your signature. Now I'll tell you, if you have that pointing pen it would be much better. I can do it with the mouse, but if you have the pointing pen then it can be much better. This is not my signature, by the way, don't try to steal it. Click on save and then wait, and you can see the signature is all here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.